allow your kids to sleep in that bed with you.
My soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiara here, and today I'm back with another video. So y'all, I'm just gonna get right straight into it. If you're not new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hey girl, hey, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So I just put together this thing right here, and I'm going to be doing some closet organization. I'll probably come back and do it tomorrow or tonight when I get off, because I need to go to work. So yeah, I'm about to just lay down, take a nap before I go to work, and then tonight when I get off, we're gonna tackle that closet because it looks a mess, and I'm gonna show y'all.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah.
Hey y'all, I'm tired. I'm really tired. I almost literally like dropped my daughter to school and said I'm going back home to sleep, but I need to cook. I'm not eating out today, so I'm trying to decide if I want tacos or if I want lasagna soup, something that will last me for today and tomorrow. But I don't know. I don't know. Let me walk inside all these and then see what I'm gonna decide to pick up. I just need something quick and easy, and it's gonna last me for 2 days. This only $3.09. Okay, y'all, I made it back home. Obviously, I did cook the food. I took me a shower, and now I'm back in the bed. Y'all, honestly, I've been doing the dragon fruit every day. Whew, I'm not used to it. I ain't gonna lie, because it might be TMI, but like I don't go to the bathroom every day. Like even when I'm eating like vegetables, I have to eat a lot of it for me to poop, because it's like more than the usual amount of vegetables that I need to eat and fruit so that I can go to the bathroom, because I'm not a regular bowel movement type of girl. So I've been eating dragon fruit, and that's been helpful. But like after I poop, I have to take a shower. Like I just feel disgusted. So yeah, I just got out the shower, and I did make the taco stuff, but I didn't record that because I was just trying to get in and out the kitchen. But I don't know, I just feel real tired. So it's 11 something, so I'm about to just finish watching a vlog on YouTube, and I'm gonna go to sleep until I go to work. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So I'm trying to learn how to do layers. I went on TikTok last night and watched a few videos. It looks kind of good. I don't know if I kind of like butchered right here or not. I don't know if you can see, but It says cut at this angle, and then when you finish, you keep going down. So I don't know. I feel like I want to cut more, but I feel like if I cut more, I'm gonna mess it up. I don't know. Okay, now the tricky part is gonna be this side because I am right-handed, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this side. I don't know. And then for them to like identically match. Oh no, I don't think I could do it on this side. How do people do it for the opposite side? Do I do it like this? And y'all, I keep having these weird dreams. It was like weird dream. Last week I had a dream. Not last week. A couple of days ago, I had a dream that I was back with my daughter's daddy. And then I was dating some other guy that I used to talk to like a long time ago before her dad. Like, I just don't understand what's going on. Like, honey, that doesn't align with what I think I want in life. Like, I just don't understand where that came from. And then last night I had a dream that a customer called, and I feel like I butchered this side. A customer called needing money to get diapers for her child. Like, I don't want to say who I work for, but like, it doesn't align with the customer service that I do. The customers that I work with, it doesn't align with a customer calling with needed assistance for personal life stuff. So it kind of like threw me off. But child, anyways, I am doing my hair because I'm supposed to make content, because I did a poll on Instagram asking people, asking on social media, should I do Super Bowl content? So know Super Bowl is next week. So I don't know. I'm gonna see what I could do. I want to show y'all like BTS, but I don't have another camera to use. But I'm gonna show y'all everything I make. I'm just gonna make. I kind of do want to get the egg rolls out the way too. So I'm supposed to be making hot wings and spinach dip for sure. I might adding. I feel like I did this side way better. Yeah, cause this side is like, okay, I'm not gonna cut anymore. I feel like I butchered this side because see the layers going perfect over here. Not perfect, but, and then this I kind of butchered a little bit. Let me see. So I'm gonna try to curl my hair. So let me show y'all my hair. I don't know what I want to get for. Okay, so this is how my hair came out. It's already falling, but I do want to drink some wine, but I came to Winn-Dixie. I found the egg roll wraps. So now let me get everything I need for the salmon egg rolls. Get this ball rolling because I'm probably gonna be in the kitchen for the next 4 hours. If I wasn't recording, I know I could finish it like in a shorter amount of time, but because I'm recording one thing at a time, it's gonna take me longer. So let's see. This is everything that I'm using to prep. The salmon over here, and I got the chicken that I already cleaned. It's wet again. I have to pat dry that again. But yeah, I'm about to start. Y'all, when I say I'm tired, okay? Recording food content, I feel like it's a lot. Like, especially because you don't want to touch your equipment if you just touch raw food, and then going back and forth. I can't, honestly. I was gonna try to do angles, but honey, I can't do it. I can't. I just have to put the camera over the food of what I'm doing because it's too much. It's too much. Point bottle away from self and others. Remove foil, firmly grasp. Okay, so I'm about to open this Andre Peach Bellini. But yeah, so I need to take me a nap. I've been in the kitchen for 3 hours. Like, that's a lot. And honestly, how the hell you open this? Honestly, to cook what I made, it don't take 3 hours, but when it comes to the content and then me having to cook the things one at a time, child. Cheers. Oh, that's good. There's this girl that I follow on Instagram, and she make her own wine at home. Like, oh my God, I would love to do something like that. If she sold her wine, I would definitely buy it. But she said she got to get her liquor license and stuff like that, so she can't sell it. But I would have definitely buy from her, like, a black-owned wine, like, for real. But yeah, child, my mama is outside with Malia. Her daddy dropped her off. Well, my mama outside with her outside. So I'm about to lay down, hopefully take a little nappy nap, and then do like a Sunday reset, get ready for the week, ironing her clothes and stuff. So I'm gonna come back to y'all, and I'm gonna try to edit that content. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, happy Monday. Y'all, like, yesterday, I can't believe I really recorded a video, made the food, recorded the video, and I edited it within the same day and did a voiceover. Like, who am I? So I'm gonna challenge myself. Well, my brother challenged me, and I'm gonna challenge myself too, to post every day for this month. And then now I have another content idea, is to do like a Valentine's dinner idea. I'm just gonna do steak and potatoes, cause honey, I don't know what else. And lamb chops at Sam's, I think it was Sam's Club I seen it, or I don't know. Lamb chops expensive, but that would be like the perfect, like, that would be like the perfect Valentine's Day dinner idea. But maybe if I could find my old video, I could use that. I'ma see. So anyways, y'all, I'm craving an almond croissant real bad. It's $9.19, and I know sometimes these Dunkin' Donuts, that first after 9 o'clock, they be on swole. So I'm probably gonna have to go inside. I'm not gonna get coffee, only because I want to go back to sleep, and I know it's gonna keep me up. But I really just want an almond croissant. So that's just what I'm gonna get. You not a mama yet, and you watching this? Don't co-sleep with your kids. Do not allow your kids to sleep in that bed with you, because honey, once they do, they don't want to get out, because this girl has to feel somebody sleeping next to her to take a nap or go to sleep. The only time she does not is when she at school. Like, oh my God, and I feel like I didn't get no sleep. She was snoring. Like, my baby was tired. Even this morning when I woke up for school, she was still kind of tired. But honey, highly do not recommend that your child co-sleep with you, because I need my own space. I need some space. It's just like, it's the end of the night. I don't want to be touched. But it is what it is. That's just the hard truth reality of it. I'm gonna see how this line. I really don't feel like getting out, but I really want this croissant. Let me see how the line look. So y'all know how this one be doing. I think I poked my ear too hard. I need to cut my nails too. I can already see the line. You know what? I'm just gonna go inside. This is crazy. This is so crazy. Come on, lady. All right, y'all. I got my almond croissants. And then if you order on the app ahead, you get $100. I said $100. You get 100 bonus points for your order on Monday. So yeah, I ordered in the app just so I can get those extra points. But I was in and out, honey, and that line is ridiculous. That line in the drive-thru is crazy. This is so good, honey. It's raining too, and my feet got wet. I'm about to go home. Take a shower. I'm going back to sleep. I'm tired. I'm gonna just end this vlog here. Thank you guys again for watching. Your girl been trying to be consistent with this YouTube vlogs, and I'm here for it. Thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and leave me a purple heart if you watched it all the way to the end. All right, see y'all later. Bye.